Happy birthday, Mommy Joby! God bless and stay healthy. Love you. Bye!
Hi, Mommy Jovi. Happy birthday po. Enjoy your retirement and God bless. Bye!
Happy 60th birthday, Mommy Jovi.
Wishing you good health po, and especially now that you're entering dual citizenship. Miss you po. Enjoy!
Hi, Mommy Jovi. Happy birthday. I know wala ka na sa queue, pero lagi ka pa rin nasa puso namin. Thank you kasi naging part ako ng family mo sa queue, and I hope you enjoy your retirement. And we miss you. I love you, Mommy.
Hello, Mami Narjanak. Happy birthday. Thank you so much, Mami, for always taking care of us. Taking care of me, na parang sarili nyo na rin po akong anak. Naway, bigyan po kayo ng mahabang buhay ni Lord, na kasing haba po ng buhok ni Rapunzel. Para po magabayan nyo po rin po si Shobet at saka si Beb. Please enjoy your day. Stay youthful, stay young and pretty. Ayun lang, Mami. Love you.
Happy 60th birthday, Mommy Jovi, which means it's also your retirement year. Kaya congratulations to them. Let me just say that I am so glad that I got to meet you during my time in Wonders. Not just you, but your entire lovely family. And now that we're building families of our own, you are definitely an inspiration for us. Just the way you are as a parent and the way you raised your kids, definitely you're someone we look up to. And we can only dream so much of becoming just like you. And you have done so much for your family, for your friends, for us. And now that it's your retirement year, I hope you get to enjoy, you get to rest, you get to go to different places because you deserve it so much. Like what I've said, sobrang dami pong ginawa for all of us, and we definitely appreciate you and we love you, and I hope to see you soon.
1, 2, 3. Hi, Tita Jo.
Muli.
Hi ba muna?
Hi.
Hi ba? Hindi. Hi, Tita. Hi, Tita. 1, 2, 3.
Hi, Tita Joey.
Happy birthday, Tita. Di ko alam kung naalala niyo pa kami, Tita. It's been a long time. Sila nung huling beses namin
2015,
kita, Tita. Pero welcome po sa Airbnb namin, De Los Reyes Medical Hospital.
Operahan na bukas sa umaga.
Pero happy birthday, Tita. Happy 60th birthday.
60th.
And we wish you the best, Tita. We wish you good health in your family, Tita. And and hopefully po, we see everybody around again soon. Yun na, Tita.
Makapag-bonding soon. And kahit small bonding lang. It's all good.
Yes, Tita. Happy.
Ano lang. Good health.
Oh, good health. Good health. Tama. Good health. Good health.
Good health. And huwag masyadong magpapaka-stress sa work.
Yes, Tita. Enjoy lang din, Tita. Yung sabi nga nila, people age like fine wine. Kaya,
Hindi po. Hindi kayo mukha ng 60s. Mukha kayong 30s.
Exactly. Pero yun, Tita, again, happy birthday po, and we wish you the best.
So, best.
Ayun po. Enjoy the day, Tita.
Hey!
Hello, Tita Juby. Happy birthday. Maraming salamat po ulit sa mga tulong nyo sa amin dati nung kami ay nasa Siena pa. Pasensya na, maraming ginagawa. Hindi po ako nakakadalaw dyan. And always enjoy your 60th birthday. Isa ka ng bagong citizen ng bansang Pilipinas. And maraming salamat. Maraming salamat ulit. Maraming salamat. And namimiss ka na kita. And kami din for sure, yung mga na naabutan nyo, we miss you. And hopefully, lagi po kayong hindi mong bakabait. Lagi po kayong maging healthy. Lagi po kayong maging madasalin lalo. And lagi po kayong mag-iingat. Always smile. And we miss you. Happy birthday!
Hi, Mommy Jovi! Happy birthday! Wishing you all the best. Stay pretty and stay healthy. God bless!
Hi, Tita Jovi! Nagulat kayo, no? Lumabas ako sa video ni Bernice. Una sa lahat, miss na miss ko na po kayo. Pangalawa, happy 60th birthday po. Grabe, napakabilis ng panahon. Nagulat ako nung nasabi sa akin ni Bernice na magbe-birthday ka na at 60th birthday mo na. Napakabilis talaga ng panahon. Anyway, una sa lahat, maraming salamat po sa inyong kindness nung nag-aaral pa lang ako sa Siena dati. Hindi ko po makakalimutan yon. Lalo na yung ating mga simpleng kwentuhan, simpleng tawanan, at syempre yung mga pakikinig mo sa mga kaharutan ko dati. Alam mo yan, tita. You know, tita, you've always had a joyful heart. At hanggang ngayon, dala ko pa rin po yun. Sana po wag kayong magbabago. I'm always praying for your good health, happiness, and especially more blessings for you and your family. Happy birthday, Tita Jovi. I love you. Miss you so much po.
Hello, Mommy Jovi. Happy birthday. Sorry po magulo. Kakatapos lang ng shift, pero wishing you all the best in your 60th birthday. Yun lang po. Miss you po. See you soon. Bye.
Happy birthday, Tita Jovi. Happy birthday, Tita Jovi. Happy birthday, Tita Jovi. More birthdays to come po at ingat po kayo palagi.
Happy birthday po, Tita Jovi. Wishing you good health and more blessings po. More birthdays to come. Ingat po kayo palagi. God bless po. Happy birthday.
Happy 60th birthday, Jovi. Tita Jovi. More birthdays to come.
Happy birthday, Jovi. Enjoy the discount. Okay?
60th birthday, Tita Jokes. Welcome to the 20% discount of your life.
Happy
birthday!
Hello, good morning. Happy 60th birthday, Sis Jovi. Hala, tibong mo na. Masan ba ang party? Ready na ba ang gown? I'm wishing you, sis, a very happy birthday. And I pray that you will have good health, peace, love, and joy. I miss you. Sana makapag-bonding tayo minsan. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Jovi. Grabe, ang bilis, no? Senior na tayo. Nakakatuwa, inabot natin yung ganitong age na ganito pa rin tayo, friends pa rin tayo. Alagaan mo lagi sarili mo, ha? Saka, nandito lang ako pag kailangan mo ng kausap o kahit pag may masaya nangyayari sa'yo, share mo sa akin. Swerte ka sa mga anak mo, mababait sila. And swerte sila sa'yo kasi alam ko napakabuti mong tao. Kung ano man yung mga pinagdadaanan mo, kamag-alala, darating din yung time na maintindihan mo kung ano talaga yung plan ni God para sa'yo. Lagi ka mag-iingat. Happy birthday! Enjoy your birthday! Enjoy na rin yung mga magiging discounts. Ako din next year na. Sana minsan magkita ulit tayo katulad nung dati, pasyal-pasyal, chika-chika. Ingat ka palagi, Jobs. Praying for you and your beautiful kids. Happy birthday. God bless you.
Warmest 60th birthday greetings, Jubibs. May your special day filled with happiness and joy. All the best. God bless you always. Love. Donetsky.
Happy 60th birthday, Jody. Welcome to the Senior Citizens Club. Matagal kitang hinihintay dito. And I'm glad that you are with us now and you are still live and kicking. I would like to express my thanks to the Villarosa family for helping me find a job and allowing me to have a nice accommodation. Merry Christmas.
Happy birthday, Job, ha? Ingat kayo dyan. Pakita ko lang yung sa labas na kuan. Ano ba yan, Beng? 60 na, no? 60? Ala. Malapit mo na akong abutin. 56 na ako eh. Ay, 60. Lagi kayong ingat dyan, ha? And, malamig dito. Sana nga. Makapag-retire nga sana dyan. Diyos ko, Mariusep. Anyway, happy birthday, Shobs. Thank you, ha? Hey, Denise. Ito, Louie. Happy birthday. Hindi na ako masyadong magtagal, malamig. Okay, bye. Happy birthday, Job.
Hi, Tita Jovi. Happy 60th birthday sa'yo. We wish you all the best, more blessings, and more power.
Pag-greet muna si Mama Kubita ng 60th birthday bago ako mag-tap-tap di. Mama Kubita! Happy 60th birthday! Boom, boom, boom!
Hello, Mama Jovi. Happy birthday. Happy 60th birthday sa mom mo, Julian. God bless.
This is Ian Veneracion. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday sa'yo. Happy birthday na rin 2024. Happy birthday na rin 2025. And ayun, basta in the future, happy birthday na rin pang isahan na to. Yan na po. Bye-bye. Thank you.
Happy birthday sa'yo. Happy birthday. Sana ma-enjoy mo yung birthday mo. Kahit pa paano, yung at least contented ka and happy. Ganun. Enjoy your day. And of course, see you soon. Love you.
Hi! Happy birthday! Mag-iingat ka dyan sa Mayayo.
Kumongo pala.
Ayun lang. See you! Happy birthday! Enjoy your day!
Hi, kamusta po? Gusto ko lang po kayo batiin ng happy birthday po. And ano pa po ba? Siguro more celebrations po. Sana. Ayan. And po, happy birthday po. Mag-enjoy po kayo today. Kumain po kayo ng marami. And ayun po, mag-ingat po kayo palagi. See you soon. Happy birthday ulit. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday sa'yo po. Ingat.
Kamusta? Happy birthday. Happy New Year. Merry Christmas. Mag-ingat ka palagi. Happy Independence Day. Para sa inyo na ito lahat. Isa na lang. Ingat lagi. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, and I hope you guys enjoy your special day with your loved ones. Cheers.
Thank you.